Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot mobile app for meeting notes, full guide step by step clearly. To download the HubSpot mobile app for meeting notes, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store available on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type HubSpot. Press the search icon to locate the app. Look for the HubSpot CRM app in the search results. Make sure it's the official app published by HubSpot Incorporated. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. This will take you to the app's download page. On this page, you will see an option to download or install the app. Tap the button that says Get for iPhone users. For Android users, press the Install button. The app will start downloading onto your device. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, you will see the HubSpot app icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the prompts to set up your account. After logging in, navigate to the Meeting Notes section. You can now start taking notes for your meetings directly within the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.